Hey, I'm Brandy, the Quilter on Fire. We've got a beginner-friendly project and it's fat quarter friendly too. I encourage you to sign up if you want a day full of fun for this table runner. It's a giant HST table runner. So if you look very closely, you might be able to see where the half square triangle is. But there are so many options in this fun one-day class. You can do the improv like you see in the blue here, or you can simply use solid fabrics that you absolutely love, or prints that really coordinate. You can do all kinds of things. Also, it doesn't have to be white on the in-between pieces. It can be any color that your heart desires. But we are going to have some fun all day long with this giant HST table runner. Whether you are an absolute beginner or you've been quilting for ages, this is an absolutely fun way to spend a day. You are going to have the entire table runner topper finished in a day. Go to stitchandpost.com to sign up for the giant HST table runner today.